In this session, let us learn about NumPy filter array. Filtering arrays, getting some elements out of an existing array and creating a new array out of them is called filtering array. In NumPy, you filter an array using a Boolean index list. A Boolean index list is a list of Booleans corresponding to indexes in the array. If the value at the index is true, the element is contained in the filtering array. If the value of the index is false, the element is excluded from the filtered array. See the example. Create an array from the elements of index 0 and 2. See here, true, false, false we are giving. The result returns 41, 43. The example above will return 41, 43. Why? Because the new filter contains only the values where the filter array had the value true, in this case index 0 and 2. In the example above, we hard coded the true and false values, but the common use is to create a filter array based on conditions. Creating the filter array. See the example. Create a filter array that will return only values higher than 42. See, create an empty list, go through each element in array. If the element is higher than 42, set the value to true, otherwise false. See here, by executing this code, the result returns this false, false, true, true, 43, 44. See, create a filter array that will return only even elements from the original array. Create an empty list, go through each element in array. If the element is completely divisible by 2, set the value to true, otherwise false. See here, by executing this, the result returns this false, true, false, true, false, true, false, 2, 4, 6. Creating filter directly from array. The above example is quite common task in NumPy, and NumPy provides a nice way to tackle it. We can directly substitute the array instead of the iterable variable in our condition, and it will work just as we expect it to. See the example. Create a filter array that will return only values higher than 42. See, when we execute this code by using this, the result returns this false, false, true, true, 43, 44. Create a filter array that will return only even elements from the original array. See here, import NumPy as NP. See here, while executing this code, result returns false, true, false, true, false, true, false, 2, 4, 6 here. Okay friends, this is the end of part 15, filter array. In next video, let us learn about another topic, modules. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.